Okay, welcome to the second part of our tutorial. So we can share when you first one. You bet me serve your customers during the rainy season. June, July, baby. We are in May. It's rainy season. See across the eye, the way and so need to turn the way and your messy corner. And yeah, they are escape, and it looks like this year soon better. It's really going to rain, and so we need to do everything to make sure that we have a good plan and strategy in place. Send a bit media serve your customers. Yeah, and until and you didn't care your first part no dada until you bet twaso with section 5. Second party. Okay, nti ento aso. Section 5 ye behwe kwan ye befa so ebe use mobile services. Ede aye. Okay. Nti first one and our first step for a friend say mobile services no. Good. Step 1 no and they say we have to offer home service and or workplace services. As I say, you make sure say yes, be a customer no. You omu fee, and I in your workshop, and I shops. Okay, see if I say we are serving them there. Inti yenya some services be in say we die. Chisa wo buy a shop and sana ya ama. We su die ye bit me aba fee kura aba be ya ama. If you say yam fa edwuma bi anko customer ni fia e be din say bitimi satisfy your customers. Yam fa example to say obi a oye makeup na ebia say oye makeup bi na odi life bi ti say ni ye ya eno no enye behind the scene, but as I say nipa no actually shut down your friend is saying back camera more appear on camera where you say me screen you know any maybe presentation now me you know, but in this case you know as I say nipa nankasa baso live na muhunu inti opem obi aba be makeup amano enye obi mpo ono a ne be ya friend is saying ni nipa owo na na yen fan say professional owo makeup artist owo a oye yes anu man say ombra mbembe ye man, and as I say onya that service na at that time who say okay say nipa ni fan so ni mombra na so fa mu ba na obeye wi na so san fan so ni mu san kwa. It is difficult say obinya ne awoye man no kra no intact obedru na bibia so na say no. In such cases, no, if you have a service in place, a bit me ako na akwa yes ade na man woni fie ni wetimi dia concept so e dia yes ade na, I think the customer will be happy. Neni beje. And aside that, you will be making your money. We all know say home service no. Ne boy din kakra than say sorry na wako. Your friend is saying professional in the shop so on your mouth. It increases what you are also doing, your what you are gaining as revenue and as income. Okay, so it's not a bad thing. Say you better have such a thing also in place. Say we will be serving them at home. Then we can also have the type now customer no will have to come to ye dwemo na ye mom that the assessor or buy ye dwemo na so ye man no kra no. We need to get some things in place see nya bibi in place and also kra na ebetimi aboa wo mo no wo mo abaye ho. What I say and so ye fa the pump for example ebia nipa dey regular and our usual customer dada nti wo ne measurement wo ne bibia ampo dada ni ohia ne say ebia material na ode be pam atare na ye bibi no wo no won sabeka You can rely on delivery service be no nkonkofa ade ani free fee or no fambra. Yes, yenim say baby ye we bibi sa anyhow, but I can assure you say ye wo delivery service okroma. Ha, omo for omo sumaye. Nti say hwehwe wo mwechi akwanya wo contact us. Ye be mas my mfo no etimi serve even during this rainy season way. These are some of the things that, as I say, ye to me, put in place. Ne ye juman be flexible near the idea than say in so 20 ye juman be conform. All right, ye we see an end to. Step 2. Safety measures bempo and are all in place for mobility. Safety measures for mobility. Nyamaitra screen this week. What do you do to ensure that your client moves from their houses to your shop safely? And now will be moving from your shop to customers' houses safely. As I said, make sure to put things in place. You can partner with some drivers. You can partner with even digital locals. Now, I'm going ni panin free ni fee and fanem bra mount. Say ya di ensuoneto na say the person will have to go through a man for Prague and ade. Some of them can be covered. But if you can't rely on that, rely on taxi. Be sure say drivers need be they are willing to work only if say onu omo arrangement before time. So and those things will also ensure say customer no safe. Humanity as you say ne nkwa ne hia and the well-being ne hia ntino mani mfiri so ni mu mpie o maka ba ho abefa no straight now no the oba no ntua ka ne ka ne ade because bana oba wo na e de ana obefa ka obi tua ka nti wo maka na ba no wa ba abefa no wa obesoma ka na manaba oba wo ntua driver ne ka no fa ni free ni fee en fa ne mbra ho shop no mbeye ni obeye no we will fa ne go back. I think it is one of the most convenient services to me provided ediama or clients and our customers young cancer during this season. Inti moment yen hwe kwan befa so na ya dwen your customers no a safety ho any young kasa as professionals no yen so safety ho say ye home service bi mpo. All right, then to us. Step 3. Tools bay and equipment bay and a portable. I bit me at the home service. We can't decide the pound for me to me swap my machine, send the back with see customer fee, na mapa mama no. But if they are handy ones be kakranka bi or more dear moon to me customer the cry fee. Some kwa ya dia man unless say be alterations in getting kitty. Inti mo no betimi rely on say e kofa omaba. But people like the makeup artists, the nail artists, for any other no, they can do that. Womu do betimi ay carpenters ni ade na womu betimi ay saniom and hairdressers ni ade na womu de womu betimi akọ barbers na they can go for home service unlike at the palm for. So these things is also equipment be and no there a better portable I'll be to me as a sat now what they are called. So you do those things and you pack them down. So you pack those things down and then time the draw. Now they call. And the best surprise you say won't be retail 5-star. So wage money very excellent. Very, very excellent. Okay. Yeah, and then we're on your session 6. Digital communications. Digital communications we say me PM pa easy. Cry. But I'll try my best to minimize it. Senior beya and quiet tin so. Nti me twan your muscle me yin your me from na emrepamuno as we go on. We ever found back so near practicals be on it. Now digital friends say communication see. Yan use WhatsApp. Keke. Your WhatsApp Unim say ubetimi de text messaging. Ubetimi de send a text emani panakai. Ubetimi de audio, I record the audio. Emani paniti. Ubetimi so assign so de video calls. And found numbers are open say ono even though say in your school na mo you can't say oh yeah be a friend say nipa 100 and 50 and say 30 and 20 and baby. So wait me use WhatsApp calls no and they engage you. Sometimes you can just record audio, record some video they will post your mom. So a boapa to engage them because in so to talk near share their money are sometimes they are very boring. It's very, very boring. And if you find a way to engage young customers now, these times those are times light off near the end doors and so you need to find a way to engage us while we are in our rooms. If you go away to me room, yapon near coca office, intimate PM member single. So at that time we all resort to your phone, so new groups are a womb manioma. At least to occupy ourselves, to engage ourselves until say beer in so before and I be a chance and say ye free one ko ye and I free if you be bunting. These things are very important. Alright, inti. Step 2. Now, obetimi announce changes BIB about service and say during so tobri BBC ni na ye ba beye BBC ni ye and as say yes ade we bim muna mudi madwuma muna munim changes as so ta SSM way nti I know say mube put those things in place. Sometimes in suta wow him say suta customers on be heading ye promotions be na nkofo ntimi en Kenyan nkofo no muntimi ene munye adwuma promotions mu hia pa ntino digital communications no ubetimi aye announcement pa major announcement any promotions say bia o ma discount say bia ba ma dey anka 30 cedis we be make up anka 30 cedis say matitini na so 10 cedis during this 2 months and during these 2 weeks we be say bia no say we be say bia no say ya tin so free say abase. These are changes and in your ma ubetimi aye pa to make sure say your customers still stays with you during these times. Okay, step 3. More apps be. Okay, weather and location apps and a bit me those apps now. A bit me actually say sa area way and sa town way and sa city way and sa crowd way. And that's it. Time we see near the end in so better. And area bebo. Some more of those apps now. So we will share some with you. So all those apps now a beboa. Now sometimes if you lead but at least it will give you an idea. Be a beboa also some more prepare in case it happens. You are already prepared. It is better than say obet na hokeke say we'll leave it to chances say enter now. You'll be expecting say then so better then anto. Now so when him so better say baby as enka akoko ye bibi no anko. Na ade so those weather and location apps no ehun pa in our membership group no you be making sure say ya mamu some of these apps are moving to me download na aboamu na mwetimi ahye sa anyoma na kwan mbefa so amwa yusu no this a wonya member me pacho wa make sure say wako join your digital artisans group no only 25 cedis a month enumpo no within this a friend say month ya ba basic me 25 cedis no ta e cover for 2 months until June July ni na no when we will be at home no they be making sure say you be assist them, one more members of the group no, to make sure say one more offer one more services to their customers and the clients no. We'll assist them until we are going to make it one-time payment for the 2 months. Na obi antumi enya so mfaso na ontumi ye na edwuma the way esese oye. All right. Now, this is what I want you to do for me. Me pese o set up a rainy season service menu. Say in suni beta service bi say ni say na meye ewo WhatsApp de nkofo bebre wo. Ukoye app bi ni ade nkofo afi no mbe download na henfa ne den no. Eye man ye de. Inti set up a rainy season service menu. WhatsApp. Na share with us na yenhwe. So to me yen WhatsApp out there. Try na fa wano ka recording audio na fa to your group no. All right. Inti this is also for the members of our group. Na yenhwe where you be correct mo ne ade na yenhwe say bibia you okay, say you are really ready with your services for the rainy season ahead of us. All right. Session 7, yenhwe promotions and packaging. Promotions and packaging. Meni nka kadada. Say inso tobre mu. Say yentimi have discounts on rainy days and haya offer even free home services ne ho nyoma. Inso ni ta your customers bit media ho ya. Say when they needed us no. Na yeni ho we were not there. Omuhia yen pa no. Na yeso ya to yapono mada. And these are ways say we are in competition, and not just any competition, we are perfect competition. Like a perfect competition, I'm saying, we are talking about near mistake. It's way be our obeying. Me no hear the same things. Ye na ye palma dear, ye na ye nails, ye na ye makeup, ye na ye tria. Met me jina so dear say we druma just because I'm a pure customer. And then you're bonny. Yeah, we are in competition in Tianya Bonnet. And this a woo be no so now they go to me dry now go bomb pay it masa and juma. We are in a perfect competitive industry. Sanity, and no be to me sorry ko TV so kwa ya advert ke Canada media say you me media say and say kai for no. Meet me at say wajo customer. Say on san we dwuma metumi kwa kofa de bia nya na aye dia betena ho guanimu ase just because I want to get people to come to my shop. So what I say inti say inso to to na ewia bobo na ade en wentimi amboa me inso to breimu na wo twen na ewia ne bebo wie na we bie wo shop wa say na wo expect say men sign bra wa bra time ami hia wono esese me corset kwa ya ade ni yin me pe makeup na ya wow ye mama no ona me frɛ wa be ka tem se so to nti wada na me obia ono me nko no shop mu da ana me nko ye bibia ma no da ono no timi ba ye be yes ade ne de ma me e ma me timi yes ade ne so ne ti ade ho na meko nye ho na meba ebi anye fetise ni awo ye de no pa I will still be there because minim se say nipa no can be relied on. San you may na ensure say yenya what is called customer loyalty. No. Yenya sadien. Nti mumi enhwe how we will serve our clients. Abrazo totoimu. All right. Again, yenhwe say yebenya waterproof packaging packages beer na packs beer a waterproof rubber like BB for a new my customers, especially at the pump for because mom makeup intimate so makeup we have a rubber man we customer no fashion it won't work. Things don't happen that way. But more pama dear more involve product and the pan bet me age e dia kono say yenya bibi. Oh, they say crowd a for no babes no. Say mo ye mo die 80. Nti me die we na se me fan so be kwala die na wo ragu. Wo so ntumi ye mfa ma me se me mfa nhye miti. Ana bibi wo hosa. E man na minim so mu ye wo mti wi a na wo beda. Omo wo hair gear bia this time be a rubber wo mtumi de share wo mti. Probably you should make it available for men so omo ba mo. Nti se so ne to na no nya din bebre na se ya de piti bia na se bibia. Fine. All again. Say mu hand dryers. Na mutumi dry off. Your friend said dyes na modify it because minim say a wuvia e betimi ahohum. Nti ene de ye beduru fie kra no na che say nso na egumu ahohum kra na nyehwe. The only disgracing part na say bia ahohoro no na tuntum ne na me ho na afi say entire. So you should find ways of serving us too with the dye. Near there. That is what the waterproof packaging for product is also about. Again, mon try say mon na betimi educate you ma cheche ne kwaya yem faso and maintaining your mouth. So tips and education for client on maintenance. Bibi obey ama yen bia no wona eso che kwaya be faso a e be maintain ade na waya ama yen no. Anya sa ye kofie ne ye hu yusu ye kwose no. That is the truth. And ye kwayes na last year wo di na boy be kan say we ye ni yan kan say. And sometimes as I said, we make sure say time biano, especially in so to take. Why you meet ya why you be mamia? So we make sure say in so anka. And say okay, we bet me in so anka, but I'm fast a monanka. We bet my say may you money indeed this and this and this and son and so aka. Like you have to give us tips. Yes, most also yeah, chiri be at the my or clients and our customers. Ni intimi fa maintain ya de na wa ya amaye no and our service na wa ya amaye no. Very 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 important. And we here pa. Okay. Now, enti again no bombodia na tenase na design promotion bi a usu betimi aye during the rainy season in afa share the group no share wo group no and discuss it together. All right, these things are very important. Yeah, that is the activity we have for this session 2. Okay, so session 8, motivation and business continuity. In fact, so what's in idea ya pa and we be a shop with team no be ember because in so talk and as a baby that time no. Some of us so yen say yen san dwume ya na yen dwume ya na edididi edi ye bibia. Enti say ye bet na hobusu mienu a edwuma mba ana bampa ba kumbi mienu bi ye de woman ba kumbi aba ha ne den ebe hardring pa ebe hardring. Okay, so how do we handle such situations? Okay, into one, the American say, as a so making sure say we stay motivated during those slow days. No, when necessary, shall home cry. Okay, shall home cry, shall home during those slow times. No, me I wanna wake you up. So shall home now. Ye proper budgeting and planning ahead do man training so ni beto we na fi na ba be planning debi. This is the time as I say o planning and sana bosom no aso e ma dwunu ma be gidigidi until within those 2 months no there and you maybe in terms of say bia materials bi ni ade a wo de be ye adwuma ni ade na so betimi anka this time no pesika kakra na nya sa ne o mani na agu ho ansa in case say pressure so bad during rainy season na anko yesa ma short to me ntimi because in so to. Okay, and so we prepare ahead so a unim say eyemre akwai to say okwani the farmer ene ewia bobre ewia ba untumi ndu ahwe untumi yahwe but onya abotre twen insuo ni to no duaduane ne oma na o harvest so a oti bibi to kwa obi depend on it to say wia season na iden etwem nti saa na ɛsɛ sɛ yɛ so ɛnsa do dwumafoɔ yi yɛsua yɛ ɛsɛ sɛ yɛtumi pɛ biribi de to hɔ. Okay, you depend on for those 2 months, in case adwuma mba. Na third one is to say you keep it on learning. To see you soon at the end you improve your home. Say adwuma money at wa. That is the time as I say you invest where ya you. You di soon at the end you hu ade. Okay, you hu ade more. You various other means are you bit media survey your customers, actual and potential customers, very well. That is the time I yes I know man. That time I better we did the who are kasa unnecessary things and I say in so 20 years that. See, if we ever start to say bopiemu, then your man wouldn't him any the way I was a baby with man. More than before. Alright. I'm sending the movies here for now. Madam was a pass with me a coming home. Na yes I deal we ye share resources near the na ewo group nim na obi hu kwanya ye bit me a survive near serve your customers and your clients during this rainy season effectively. Damwase. Bye.